Hello everyone. Today we continue to explore a new niche livestock farming model. A unique way of raising crocodiles has only become popular in recent years. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We have done all the research to provide you accurate information. So stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Crocodile farming became popular around the 1970s. When the growing demand for crocodile skin could not be sustained by wild farming. At first, it was mainly exploited for meat, using them like any other livestock. Later, when artisans who made luxury goods realized that crocodile leather was very durable, they created expensive and luxurious branded goods with it. A survey conducted in 2016, it was revealed that there are 4,000 to 5,000 crocodile farms in existence. As of today, they vary from small-scale farms raising a few crocodiles to one farm. High-investment farm with hundreds of crocodiles. The entire process of raising crocodiles begins when they go to collect eggs from the crocodile nest. Female crocodiles are known to be very aggressive in protecting their offspring, so this is very important. Female alligators tend to lay 15 to 20 eggs at a time. So a trip around the swamp is enough to collect enough eggs for farming. This breeding method depends on the area surrounding the farm, along with capacity. This method of breeding is only possible if the farm is located in the wilderness or near a river or swamp infested with crocodiles. For large farms that require large-scale production, they use the breeding method captive bred to produce eggs from adult fish kept in a controlled environment after they are brought to the farm. They are kept in a temperature-controlled incubator where they stay until ready to hatch. This process varies from farm to farm, with some storing eggs in incubators as soon as they are placed. While others like to check each egg and remove dead and infertile eggs, the incubation room is closely monitored to ensure the eggs are functioning properly at the set temperature if done correctly. The successful hatching rate is up to 80% when the incubation process begins. Their food mainly consists of minced or diced red meat or pork or chicken. They are also given fish supplements as predators. They must store red meat to grow healthily. They are fed daily during the post-hatch period, but feeding is gradually reduced to 4 or 5 days per week, depending on their size. This is mainly because crocodile farming is expensive and requires large investments. The added cost of feeding red meat every day is that huge tons of meat are used every day in large production farms. They are minced in warehouses and then supplied throughout the farms. Farms often have machines that help them do this work because crocodiles grow in size and age. The meat is less chopped and contains larger pieces after being soaked in water for several weeks when they are transferred to the cage. When raising crocodiles, the quality of their skin in case the disease spreads. At crocodile farms, farmers not only focus on raising and caring for the crocodiles, but also care about processing their meat and skin. After harvesting meat and skin from crocodiles, artisans learned how to create unique and luxurious products from this material. Crocodile meat is processed into attractive, diverse, and nutritious dishes. From grilled, stewed, stir-fried dishes to soups and salads, crocodile meat brings a unique and attractive flavor to meals. In particular, crocodile meat is known for its high quality and low-fat content, making it the favorite choice of many gourmets. In addition, crocodile skin is also used to make branded products. Thanks to the durable, soft, and luxurious properties of crocodile leather, artisans can create products such as handbags, shoes, leather wallets, and high-end jewelry. These items are not only symbols of luxury, but are also highly appreciated for their artistry and uniqueness in design. From raising to processing and manufacturing, the crocodile industry not only brings stable income to farmers, but also contributes to creating unique and popular branded products on the market. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope the above information is useful to you. Remember to subscribe and press the bell button here to receive our latest and useful videos. And watch this video with me.